Today our topic is how to build confidence and self-esteem. Confidence and self-esteem are like the foundation of a strong house. Without them, everything else can feel shaky. But with them, you can handle challenges, take risks, and live a more fulfilling life. So, how do you build confidence and self-esteem? Let's talk about it step by step. First, it's important to understand what confidence and self-esteem really are. Confidence is the belief in your ability to do something well. Self-esteem is how much you value and respect yourself. Both are connected, and both can be improved with practice and effort. One of the first steps to building confidence and self-esteem is to stop comparing yourself to others. Everyone is on their own journey. When you compare yourself to someone else, you're only seeing a small part of their life, not the whole picture. Instead, focus on your own progress. Celebrate your small wins, no matter how small they seem. Maybe you finished a task you've been putting off, or you spoke up in a meeting. These small victories add up over time and help you feel more capable. Another important step is to challenge negative thoughts. We all have a voice in our head that sometimes says things like, "You're not good enough," or "You'll never succeed." But these thoughts are not facts. They are just thoughts, and you have the power to change them. When you notice a negative thought, ask yourself, is this really true? Often, you'll find that it's not. Replace that thought with something more positive and realistic, like, "I'm doing my best, and that's enough." This takes practice, but over time, it can make a big difference in how you see yourself. Setting realistic goals is another key to building confidence. When you set goals that are too big or too vague, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and give up. Instead, break your goals into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if your goal is to get in shape, start by going for a 10-minute walk every day. As you achieve these smaller goals, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment, which will boost your confidence. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Nobody is perfect. Mistakes are a natural part of learning and growing. When you make a mistake, don't beat yourself up. Instead, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? This mindset shift can help you see mistakes as opportunities rather than failures. Taking care of your body is also important for building confidence and self-esteem. When you feel good physically, it's easier to feel good mentally. Eat healthy foods, get enough sleep, and exercise regularly. Even a small amount of exercise, like a short walk or stretching, can improve your mood and energy levels. And don't forget to practice good posture. Standing up straight and making eye contact can make you feel more confident and help others see you as confident too. Another way to build confidence is to step out of your comfort zone. Growth happens when you challenge yourself. Try something new, even if it's scary. Maybe it's joining a club, taking a class, or starting a conversation with someone you don't know. The more you push yourself to try new things, the more you'll realize that you're capable of more than you thought. And even if things don't go perfectly, you'll gain valuable experience and learn that you can handle challenges. Surrounding yourself with positive people is also crucial. The people you spend time with can have a big impact on how you feel about yourself. If you're around people who are negative or critical, it can drag you down. On the other hand, being around supportive, encouraging people can lift you up and help you see your own worth. If you don't have many positive people in your life right now, that's okay. You can start by joining groups or communities where you're likely to meet like-minded people. Volunteering or taking up a hobby can also be great ways to connect with others who share your interests. Practicing gratitude is another powerful tool for building self-esteem. When you focus on what you're grateful for, it shifts your attention away from what you lack and helps you appreciate what you have. Each day, take a few minutes to write down 3 things you're grateful for. They can be big things like your health or your family, or small things like a good cup of coffee or a sunny day. Over time, this practice can help you develop a more positive outlook on life and remind you of the good things about yourself and your life. Learning to accept compliments is also important. Many people struggle with this. When someone compliments you, do you dismiss it or downplay it? If so, you're not alone. But accepting compliments graciously can help you internalize positive feedback and boost your self-esteem. The next time someone compliments you, simply say, "Thank you," and let it sink in. You don't need to argue with them or explain why you don't deserve it. Just accept it and allow yourself to feel good about it. Another way to build confidence is to focus on your strengths. Everyone has things they're good at, but sometimes we're so focused on our weaknesses that we forget about our strengths. Take some time to think about what you're good at. Maybe you're a good listener, a creative thinker, or a hard worker. Write down your strengths and remind yourself of them regularly. When you focus on what you're good at, it helps you feel more confident in your abilities. Finally, be patient with yourself. Building confidence and self-esteem is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and effort, and there will be ups and downs along the way. But with consistent practice, you can make progress. Remember, you are worthy of love and respect, just as you are. You don't need to be perfect to be valuable. Every step you take toward building confidence and self-esteem is a step toward a happier, more fulfilling life. So, start small, be kind to yourself, and keep going. You've got this.